Hi, I'm Miss Wong. Let's calculate the midpoint of a line. So here we have an example. We have 2 points. How do we find the middle of these 2 points? We can look at the x values. So we can have 3 there and we have 1 there. Well, the middle of 3 and 1 is 2. How do we get 2 from the 3 and 1? So we added the 3 and 1, which is 4, and divided by 2 to get the 2. So the xm, or the middle x, is 2. Let's recap. What do? We took x2 plus x1 and divided by 2. So now we have the formula to calculate the x-coordinate for the middle value. Let's do that for the y-coordinate. So here we have 8 and here we have 2. How do we get 5? I think we're going to do the same thing. So 8 plus 2 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. So now we have the middle coordinate for y is 5. And the equation is y2, which was our 8, plus y1 divided by 2. So to find the midpoint, 2, 5, what we did was to find the average of the x and the average of the y. Let's try an example. Here we have 2 different points. You might want to pause the video and use the formula yourself and see if you get the correct answer. And unpause when you're ready to see the solution. So we're going to plug in the same equation. So the midpoint is 5 plus 0 divided by 2. And the y value is 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So we get 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the midpoint is 2.5 and 4. Let's do example 2. This time we have the middle point and 1 point, but we don't have the other point. So here we have point A. What is point B? So we know the formula for the midpoint and we have the middle point information. We have x1 and y1, but we're missing x2 and y2. So let's work with x values first. So we have 2.5 is our middle point x value, our midpoint, and we're missing x2 and we have x1, which is 0, divided by 2. So solving for this, we bring the 2 over to the side and now we have x2 to be 5. And we can do the same for the y value. So we have the middle point is 4, so we're missing y2, and then y1 is 2 divided by 2. So bring the 2 over, we have 4 times 2 is 8. Now we have to get rid of the 2 by bringing it over minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So now we have x2 and y2, which is 5 and 6. And if you haven't noticed, this is the exact same question as before. See, same question. This is just to show you how to work backwards. So that's it from me today. Now you know how to find the midpoint and you know how to find the other point if you're given the midpoint. You might want to watch this again and try the examples yourself. Thank you for being patient and I'll see you next time.